Do you think every parrot can talk? Well, not really. Today I'll explain why some parrots chatter away in our language, while others stay silent like little spies. And most importantly, how you can actually teach them to talk. I've got some ready-to-go lessons that really work, and I'll share more about them a little later. Parrots aren't born knowing how to speak our language. They have a special voice organ called the syrinx that helps them copy sounds really accurately. But here's the thing. Some parrots can learn a lot of words, while others only pick up a few. It all depends on the parrot's species and personality, how much your bird trusts you, and of course, the way you train it.
Hello.
The chattiest parrots are African greys, Quaker parrots, Amazons, macaws, and budgies. To hear a bird's very first word, you usually have to wait anywhere from a few weeks to a few months. Parrots like cockatiels, lovebirds, and cockatoos mostly mimic sounds and only pick up a handful of words. But remember, no matter how talkative the breed is, without proper training, you won't see real results. First, build a good bond with your parrot. Your bird has to trust you. Otherwise, it'll just ignore everything you say. Second, start with short and clear words. For example, hi, birdie, or bye-bye. Repeat them often and always in the same tone. But here's the problem. Not everyone has time to repeat the same word 50 times. That's why I created lessons with the right pacing and clear word delivery, without any extra noise. You can play my lessons for your parrot even when you're not at home. That's usually when the bird is sitting quietly in its cage, nothing is distracting it, and it listens to the lessons with pleasure. People often say recordings don't work for parrots, that only the owner's live voice does. But the truth is, recordings work really well if they're done the right way. Clear words, proper rhythm, and no background noise. That's exactly the kind of lessons you'll find on my channel. Lessons that have already helped dozens of parrots learn their very first words. So, whether your parrot talks or stays quiet isn't just up to the bird, it's up to you too. If you want your feathered friend to chatter like a talk show host, start with my lessons. The playlist link is in the description. And don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss new parrot lessons.